Nginyanagia na riu cikaro cia kamiti ya mwanya ya ameba 18 na abunge ya Senate na ya gĩbũrũri iria ibatie gũtuithania mbeca iria thirikari cia matura ibatie kugairwo itikoretwo na umithio. Kanju ya magavana riu ikiruta mukana wa gukwama kwa motungata thirikari-ini cia matura kwa ihinda ria thiku 30 ciukite mbeca ici ciaga kurekererio.
Any reduction to county equitable share will negatively affect service delivery and grind the operations of counties to a halt, considering that the allocated amount of 400.117 billion is based on historical audited accounts.
MUIKARIRI wa Kanju AHMED ABDULLAHI AUGITE shiringi bilioni 63.3 cia mweri wa kanana na kenda itire irarekererio ni ministry ya KIGINA.
Kuringana na uguo kurathie miario no ngithie ringe ihiga ne kuga counties cikuheo mbeca kuringana na watho nginya mweri mbeca cia mwaka muhituku no mieri 6. Uguo ne kuga gwikinya December ne 31 tutigakorwo tukiamukira mbeca ingi na koguo no kuga counties no irugamire na tukinye gukihinga counties na turekereria ruti ito wira.
Demand that the National Treasury immediately releases funds owed to counties, failure to which the county governments will have no option but to shut down operations completely. We cannot be in November, towards the end of November, moving to December, and are still talking of August and September release of funds.
Bunge ya Senate na ya bũrũri itire iraiguanira mbeca iria ibatie kurekererio kuri county. Bunge ya bũrũri kinyitirira shiringi bilioni 380 nayo Senate shiringi bilioni 800. Kanju igithukira uritu murugamo wa Senate.
Gutire watho wetikiretie mbeca iria ciahitukirio ni Senate inyihio bilioni 400 gaturumo emwe mugwanja.
We wish to affirm and support the Senate for the decision to retain county allocations at Kenya shillings 400.117 billion shillings. This will go a long way into the implementation of the devolved functions by the county governments.
Kamiti ya mwanya yajiririe cikaro ciayo tariki 7 mweri uyu na ifatie gukorwo ikinyanirie kihonia kia ndugamano eno gatagataine ga thiku 30 kuma kwambiririo gwa cikaro ici.
We therefore call upon the Senate to expeditiously pass the County Allocation of Revenue Act to resolve this delay.